Welcome to Harmony Turf, Sydney's dedicated commercial turf supplier, located right in the heart of the Hawkesbury. We specialise in the supply and install of a range of turf into the largest infrastructure projects on the Australian East Coast. Our team is backed by industry-leading experience in growing, maintaining and installing the highest quality of turf in the Sydney Basin. We are dedicated to providing solutions to government, commercial and residential sectors, with a dedicated team of professionals with over 20 years of experience in the industry, along with our very own integrated management system to handle any project. When it comes to turf, make the right choice. Call us today on 1-800-TURF-ME.